This channel right here called Calm is making $10,000 every month and $119,000 per year. This channel, Soothing Relaxation, is making 300 grand a month and $3.6 million per year. The way they're doing this is gonna shock you. It's easy. Anybody can do it. This is Online Moneymaker. Give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and follow along closely. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Online Moneymaker. I want you to take a look at this YouTube channel right here. It's called 5 Minutes to Zen. Okay, this is nothing fancy. I want to show you real quick what kind of videos these guys do. Check this out. Look at this. Watch, I'm going to fast forward this. This is all this is for 30 minutes. Load. Okay, and at the time I'm doing this video, in 2 days, this video has gotten 4,569 views, okay? And this channel has over 40,000 subscribers. Let me show you how much they're making each month. This is a website called Social Blade where you can just type in any kind of social media account whatsoever and you'll get statistics. So this channel is making anywhere from $453 a month to $7,300 a month. And Social Blade is known for being a little low on some of these numbers. Okay, so their estimated yearly earnings are anywhere from $5,000 to $87,000. Okay, here's another channel, Dream Relax Musica. Okay, these guys are doing the exact same thing. They're basically combining stock video footage with stock music. Okay, it's as simple as that. This channel has 650,000 subscribers. So let's see how much Dream Relax Musica is making, okay? They're making an estimated 3.5K up to 56,000 a month, okay? And I promise you it's more on the $56,000 per month side. Estimated yearly earnings up to $678,000. Okay, these guys, this is so easy. These people are not geniuses. Okay, what they're doing is extremely simple, and I'm going to show you how to do that in minutes, pretty much right now. So you might have to watch this whole video through and then come back and watch it again. Okay, so I'm just going to take you step by step, kind of quick. You can get started with this like right now. Okay, if you're liking this video so far, hit me with a like. This is going to be a valuable one. Now, if you do this correctly, this is not going to make you money tomorrow. This is going to make you money like 1 month, 2 months down the road, but you can see the numbers. All you really have to do is follow these steps and put up a new video like every 2 days. And once you get the hang of these videos, they're going to take you like 10 minutes tops, okay? First thing you need is a Google account. So if you have a Gmail, then you have a Google account. But if not, just Google and you'll figure that out. And then you type in YouTube, okay? So we're at YouTube. And then you'll go up to your personal icon right here, push that, come down to Create Channel. Now there's a very important step coming up, okay? When you push Create Channel, it's gonna give you the choice to either choose a branded channel, or I think it's like a personal channel, but you wanna pick branded because a branded channel, you can name it whatever you want. The personal channel is just gonna be the name that you have your Google account under. So you hit branded, you'll come right here to this page and you'll just name the channel, like Relaxing Music or whatever, okay? So let's just Relax Music. Let's see if that comes up. Just agree to the terms, create, and we should have a channel called Relax Music. And I'm gonna delete this channel. I don't need this. So you can take Relax Music. Okay, now you have a YouTube channel. Okay, and I'm not gonna go through how to customize this or anything. But when you upload a video, you're just gonna push that right there. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so here's another channel I found. This is exactly what we're going to mimic. This Soothing Relaxation channel has 7.72 million subscribers. I'm not even going to go into that other website and find out how much they're making, but I can promise you it's a lot, okay? So let's just check out one of his videos and see where he's getting this footage from. Here's one of his videos right here. In fact, this one's playing live as I'm recording this video, okay? So take a look at this video that he's got, this beautiful waterfall, and I have a feeling I know exactly where he got this from. Check it out. I'd like to direct your attention to a website called Pixabay, okay? Pixabay.com. And this is a website where you can get copyright-free images and videos at no cost, totally free. So let's click on videos right here, okay? And then I'm just gonna type in waterfall. And I think the video that guy had will come up. And let's see here. Maybe not that exact one, but no, that's a river. Okay, look at this video right here, okay? Let's play that. Look at that. You could take that video and not have to put any sound, just leave that river sound in there and loop it. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So all we would do here is push free download it. All this is free, by the way. Here it is down here. I'm just gonna drag it over to my desktop. Oop, it didn't come. Drag to the desktop, there we go. Okay, it's right there. So we have that. Now I'm gonna show you how to put that together into like a 20, 30-minute video. Okay, if you've got a Mac computer or of any kind, then you have iMovie. It's an app called iMovie. It's on there. You can get it on the App Store, whatever. So just go to iMovie. We're gonna hit Create New Project. Okay, and we wanna do Movie. Okay, and then we're just gonna take our clip that we had and we're just gonna drag it and drop it right in there. Just like that. And it's gonna populate, okay? Then all you wanna do from here is just highlight it and you wanna push duplicate a bunch of times. Since this clip already has that relaxing river sound, which is kind of what we're going for, we're not gonna add music to it, but if you wanted to add music to it, which is what all these guys do, just come up here to the top and go to audio, and then it should give us music collection here. So they have their own tracks here. You can go up and down and just find like relaxing music, you know, and do it that way. Just pull it right in, easy. Basically, you just want to take that 17-second clip that we downloaded for free from Pixabay, throw it into iMovie or any other video editing app, there's a million of them, and just duplicate it over and over until you get like at least 20 minutes, okay? And then if you need to add music, you can do that very simple through iMovie as well. After you've got that saved, you want to come save it to your desktop. You want to come back to your YouTube channel and you want to hit upload video right here. And when that loads up, you'll be able to take your video. We don't want to do this. Hold on. New channel is going to make you go through all this bullshit. Okay. Get out of there. Okay. And once you hit upload video, this screen will come up. You just drag the video right from your desktop right into there. And then it'll start uploading. You'll give it a title, and that's it. And that's exactly how channels like Soothing Relaxation, remember Soothing Relaxation, this one with the waterfall? You want to see how much money they're making? I decided to check it out. Estimated monthly earnings, $300,000. This guy is making like $3.6 million a year for doing exactly what I just told you to do. I mean, that's amazing. So like I said, if you really want to make some money, do one of these videos every 2 days, take on Soothing Relaxation, okay? Musica. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Online Moneymaker. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel, and I'll have something new for you on Monday. Thanks for watching.